Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Our long on Ethereum pumped, our BNB pumped. With both of those hit the take profits, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade is massively in the profits as well. I'm going to show you my trades. I'm going to show you how I trade. Make sure you're using to trade Bitcoin, altcoins, to buy spot of Bitcoin, altcoins. Use that link down below to Bybit. If you go down in the description below, you can use that link. You get a sign-up bonus of $4,450 when you sign up to Bybit using that link and deposit Bitcoin and start trading. Even if you've signed up with someone else over the years, make sure you create a new account, sign up with that link, move money across, and start trading under my trading community. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And right now, Bitcoin is having a little bit of a pullback, but huge pump yesterday, which is beautiful. Let's go on. So on the weekly, let's always zoom out a little bit. On the weekly, switch off Wi-Fi. Okay, it's switching. I have to open it again, sorry. Bitcoin USDT. So on the weekly charts, the stochastic is very oversold and heading up. And again, I keep repeating this. The time to be selling Bitcoin was up here at 70K. The time to be buying is down here, 20 to 12K if we ever come down that low. Stochastic extremely oversold on the weekly. On the daily, stochastic is heading up strongly. Big recovery starting here. RSI is also heading up. Squeeze mob is just getting started. So looking very bullish on the daily charts for Bitcoin. We're getting a pump here. The EMA ribbons, we're going into the EMA ribbons again. Usually we get rejected from there. Let's see if we can break through. Crypto Guru bot is still saying a red sell. You get the Crypto Guru bot in the master course. 6,500 students now have it. It fired a sell up here. It turned red at 40,000 in April and it's been coming down. It's still red sell. It hasn't flipped to a blue buy yet. The Bitcoin indicator bot, which you also get in the master course, did fire a buy just before. So that's, look at that, called it beautifully. That buy and then huge pump up, which is amazing. Okay, let's go now closer, and then we're going to see where we're going to make trades. So on the squeeze mob, going to green stochastic. On the 4-hourly, stochastic on the 4-hourly is quite overbought, but it is heading back up again, which is interesting. Squeeze mob is going towards the red, but still showing strength. RSI is heading up, and RSI is not yet peaking. And it's matching the movement. Also, again, this is something that I keep talking about that's very interesting. Before, we used to have volumes all the time when Bitcoin dropped, then the volume increased. But lately, you can see the volume's been increasing when Bitcoin goes up, the volume increasing. So a lot more buyers are coming in now. This is very good news. Also, on the 4-hourly, we're making this big W formation. The target will be 22,800. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, that target's still in play. My trade is in the positive. If you saw yesterday, if you took the trade, from yesterday's video, where now it hit my open of the trade and now that trade is active, this will be the target for the trade. You can still open it right now. 2.47 ratio trade, risking for every $1,000 you make risk, $618 risk, $1,500 profit without leverage. With 10x leverage, that'll be $15,000 of profits. So nice trade, and I would still take that trade on Bitcoin because of this W formation. And the channel is still holding as well. So that would be the target. Now, once we get there, this is very important. Once we hit that 22,000, that's the moment of truth for Bitcoin. Two things are going to happen. We're inside this channel. We're either going to break out here, retest, and head up. And that's when we open a big long and the bottom is in. Or we get rejected there strongly. We short down to here. And then we need a big bounce and we don't want it to break down. Because if it does, then 12K is the target. Which would not be bad, actually, because then we can buy Bitcoin at very cheap discounts, right? Everyone wanted to buy Bitcoin at 69,000. No one wants to buy Bitcoin at 29,000. That's 20,000. That's actually the wrong mentality. Now is the time to be buying. Before was the time to be selling. People get it always wrong. They mix it up. So this is also, here we've got an symmetrical triangle. Usually symmetrical triangles break out 70% of the movement. So here, so it looks like we're going to be breaking out to the upside. If we get rejected here, then we come down to 21,000. So now, where would I open a trade? So I would still go long where I showed you. So there's two ways to trade this. Either you wait till Bitcoin breaks out here, retest at 21,300, then open a long, targeting that $22,800 target. That's one way. Another way is if Bitcoin breaks underneath here, retests and fails, then you can go short, but the short doesn't have much gains because we have very strong support here. So I'd actually take this long on Bitcoin. The one I just showed before, this long, if you want to see it, you can see the way you read my trades. This is the stop loss here. This is where the trade opens here, and this is where the take profit is up here. it's 3 lines, right? The red is the stop loss. It means automatically close the trade. The take profit is 22,846. If you want to trade again like you're seeing me do, make sure you go underneath the video and use this link. Make sure you're using this link. Doesn't matter if you already have a Bybit account. Create a new one, use this link, move your money across. You get a $4,450 deposit. My team made this. And once you use this link, you can trade Bitcoin, altcoins, you can short, long, and all altcoins are on this. Bybit, it'll give you this trading software. So go down there, click it, you'll get this link. In here, I have 224,338, which is awesome. We're up like $40,000 or $50,000 in a few days, which is beautiful. Nice to make money. USDT, I've got $103,000 in here. Bitcoin, I've got 3.6 Bitcoin, 78,000. And I've got a Bitcoin long open right now, which is massive. Look at that, $4,569, 4,563, 4,565. It's spiking around a lot, around $4,500 in the profit. 76% on the trade. I used $5,900 to make $4,500, so it's almost $10,000. This is almost $11,000 trade now. It's 9x leverage, so it's a $53,000 Bitcoin trade, which is beautiful. 2.7 Bitcoin, massively in the profits. I'm going to do, and don't forget, join us in the Telegram, Crypto Guru Alerts. I'm making a lot of videos. I'm showing a lot. Look at the students' gains from this group. You can join the link in the description of this video. You go down below, join James' new live Telegram alerts group. You go down, click it. It's free on Telegram. You join over 2,849 subscribers, and look at the gains that my students have been having. Check this out. This was $300 BNB profit. This student 353% on the Ethereum long inside the chat room. This student 311% on BNB, 389% on Bitcoin. We love you, James. This student 55% on Ethereum. This student 92% on Bitcoin. And think about that, 92% people. In the stock markets, you get 7% a year. This student 816% on Ethereum. What was an awesome trade to take when James called it. This student 443% on BNB. These are all from just yesterday. 443%, 980%, 816% these were just yesterday's trades. So join us in those Telegram groups. Also on BNB, Binance, I've got in here, I'm up $3,500 yesterday 3,500, and today $941. So now $193,000 in this account. I've got 7 Bitcoin, which pumped a lot, that 7 Bitcoin, and I've got USDT 38,000. Those are my trades. In the next video, I'm going to tell you what I would do with Ethereum, with Bitcoin, and with BNB. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru. Love you, have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you again tomorrow.